Hey, what's up, guys? Ali here from Solid Trades. So, in my last 8 years of trading, I've seen a lot of people come and go. And most of the people who were trading with me back then, they're not in the market anymore. And some made millions and still lost it all. And you know what's the main reason? There's only one reason. Every single time it's just one person, one wrong thing that they did. And it was only because of one thing. It was bad risk management. That's it. That was the only thing. It was not a they did not have a bad strategy. They did not have issue with their capital or anything. It was bad risk management. So today I'm going to break down why 90% of traders fail, an exact risk management system that's helped me stay consistent even when the market crashes. Okay, so let me tell you something. Trading isn't hard. Okay, because of strategies. It's hard because of emotions and lack of discipline. Like I know traders who've made millions during bull runs, but when the markets turned, they went down with it. Why? Because they never managed their downside and they thought making money equals being good. But real traders survive losses, not wins. You know, um, one of my favorite quotes is a good trader is just a good risk manager. Like risk management isn't about being avoiding losses. It's about controlling them. And the first rule is decide how much you're willing to lose before the trade even starts. So let's say you risk 100 per trade. That's your line in the sand. Every trade you take, your goal is simple. Don't lose more than 100. That means you calculate your position size based on that $100 risk, not on your account balance, not on your confidence level, not on how good setup looks, just math. So, for example, if your stop loss is $1 away, you buy 100 shares. If your stop loss is 50 cents away, you buy 200 shares. You're adjusting your position to keep that $100 risk constant. That's how you avoid getting caught like a deer in headlights. And when the trade goes against you, you already know the worst case scenario before you even click buy, right? So once you have been consistent with that $100 risk for a few months, you can start increasing your risk by 10% or 20%. So like you're risking $100, so now you prove consistent for a couple of weeks, increase your risk to 120. Then you increase your risk to 150. If you're having a bad day, bad week, keep your risk the same. Don't increase your risk. You only increase your risk when you're having a really good week, good month. That's when you increase your risk. Okay? Because once you increase your risk and if you're having a good month and you do have a bad couple of days after increasing risk, you're only eating from your profits, not from your losses, and that keeps your emotions in check. Okay? So now here's how personally I make it automatic. I use bracket orders because it's a very emotional thing. Even though you know exactly how much money you're going to lose, let's say $100 in this example, when you're about to lose $100, it's hard to hit the stop loss button, like the stop button, to get stopped out and take that loss, right? It's really hard. That's why I use bracket orders, so it's all automatic for me. So a bracket order sends three orders together, like one to enter the trade, one stop loss, and one the target order. So the moment I enter my stop loss, the target are automatically in place. I know exactly how much I'll lose if I'm wrong, no second guessing, no hesitation, and that one habit alone has saved me from blowing up multiple times. Okay? So here's what crazy. Even if you only win 40 to 50% of your trades, you can still be profitable if your risk reward ratio is right. So if you risk like $1 to make $3, right, or $100 to make 300, you can lose half of your trades and still grow. So even with a 50%, let's say you're a really bad trader and you're only right 50% of the time, you will still be profitable. Like a new trader is like 50% right, maybe 40% right. Still, he's not gonna ever blow up account. A new trader who has no idea what the heck's going on. Okay, so remember this: trading isn't about being right; it's about staying alive. Okay, there's Mike Bellafury has one of my favorite books called One Good Trade by Mike Bellafury. Look him up. In that book, he talks about that um, you live to trade another day. We all traders, we just live to trade another day. He has he's a multi-millionaire, has a multi-millionaire prop trading firm, and he talks about it in his book. And I love that book. It's my favorite book. So definitely check that out if you are really interested, in day trading. But yeah, anyways, so remember this: trading isn't about right; it's about staying alive, right? So if you master risk management, you still be here 10 years from now when most traders are long gone. And if you want to learn more about bracket orders and my risk setup, I'll link a few videos down below. And if you find this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. And let me know anything else you want me to talk about that is going to be helpful. And if you found this helpful, let me know below too. And let me know if anything you want me to talk about. I'll be more than happy to do that. All right, guys. So until then, take care. Bye bye. Peace.